What do you know about salt chlorination? Did you know that it takes care of chlorinating your pool for you? That it will give you unimaginable comfort and convenience, all at an amazing cost savings? It's true. Hayward Salt & Swim 3C delivers comfort for the most amazing swimming experience. The water is always silky soft. There is no chemical odor or bleaching of clothing and toys. And you'll never have burning eyes or dry, itchy skin ever again. Salt & Swim 3C takes the guesswork out of chlorinating your water by turning ordinary salt into chlorine. And it all happens automatically, day in, day out. Now that's convenient. Each salt cell generates the equivalent of 225 pounds of trichlor, or 208 gallons of liquid chlorine, literally, at half the cost of the chlorine you use today. Still not sure? No worries. We have a complete line of salt chlorinators to suit any backyard environment. Salt & Swim 3C is straight-up chlorination for in-ground pools up to 30,000 gallons. If your pool is bigger than 30,000 gallons, or you have no desire to install it yourself, no problem. AquaRite is what you need. Want to automate your chemistry? AquaRite Pro with chemistry automation continuously tests the water, dispensing what it needs when it needs it. Would you like to automate cleaning, filtration, lighting, spa jets, even water features? We can take care of that too with Aqua Plus. And it can lower your energy costs by as much as 90% by managing a variable speed pump. What are you waiting for? Stop living in the past. Join over 1.5 million pool owners who are enjoying the 3 C's of salt chlorination. Comfort and convenience at a cost you'll love. You'll be amazed at what a little salt can do for your swimming experience and your wallet. Visit us at hayward.com